Nearby Land Rover Discovery repairs. Land Rover is a British brand of predominantly four-wheel drive, off-road capable vehicles, owned by multinational car manufacturer Jaguar Land Rover. Since 2008 a subsidiary of India's Tata Motors. JLR currently builds Land Rovers in Brazil, China, India, Slovakia, and the United Kingdom. If a Jeep is too conventional or plain for your outdoorsy family, consider the 2021 Land Rover Discovery. It provides a much more upscale vibe to accompany its impressive off-road capability. With room for up to 7 people inside its posh 3-row cabin, the Discovery adds an extra layer of practicality over the 2-row Grand Cherokee. A pair of turbocharged gasoline-powered engines are offered, a 4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder. Both turbocharged, and all Discovery models come with an adjustable air suspension and standard all-wheel drive. The Discovery leverages Land Rover's legendary go-anywhere reputation and backs it up by offering an optional 2-speed transfer case and a locking rear differential for maximum overlanding freedom. There's even a wade mode that's set up to improve the Discovery's waterfording capability. Try that in your Porsche Cayenne or Volvo XC90. To service your Land Rover Discovery, you have a few options. Here are the general steps you can take. Determine the service interval. The Land Rover Discovery has recommended service intervals outlined in the owner's manual. It's important to follow these intervals for regular maintenance and to keep your vehicle in optimal condition. Choose a service provider. You can either take your Land Rover Discovery to an authorized Land Rover dealership or an independent automotive service center. Both options have their advantages. Dealerships have specialized knowledge and access to original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts, while independent service centers may offer more affordable pricing. Schedule an appointment. Contact your chosen service provider and schedule an appointment for your Land Rover Discovery. It's a good idea to book in advance to ensure availability and convenience. Bring necessary information. When you bring your vehicle for service, make sure to provide any relevant information to the service provider. This includes your Land Rover Discovery's model year, mileage, and any specific concerns or issues you want them to address. Discuss service requirements. Communicate your service requirements to the service advisor or technician. They will typically perform a visual inspection and may also use diagnostic tools to identify any potential issues with your vehicle. Service procedures. The specific service procedures for your Land Rover Discovery will depend on the service interval and the current condition of your vehicle. Common maintenance tasks include oil and filter changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, fluid checks, and general system inspections. OEM parts and fluids. If you're servicing your Land Rover Discovery at an authorized dealership, they will likely use OEM parts and fluids specifically designed for your vehicle. These parts are engineered to meet Land Rover's standards and ensure optimal performance. If you're using an independent service center, make sure they use high-quality parts that meet or exceed OEM specifications. Additional services. During the service appointment, the service advisor may recommend additional services based on your vehicle's condition or mileage. These could include replacing worn-out components, addressing recalls or service bulletins, or performing software updates. Service completion. Once the service is complete, the service provider should provide you with an itemized invoice detailing the performed services, parts replaced, and any additional recommendations. They may also reset the service indicator on your vehicle's dashboard.